my channel and to spooky season. I am very excited to be taking you guys along with me today on my 2022 Halloween Shop With Me haul. Well, we're going shopping and then I will give you a haul if I end up buying anything. But I am about to turn into London Square now, and you guys know that this is my mecca for the TJ Maxx Homegoods as well as the Bath & Body Works that is around the corner. I don't think this year I'm going to take you guys into the dollar store or any other kind of stores just because in past videos there hasn't really been much to show anyways. So, per tradition, we are going to stop off at Starbucks first because we need ourselves a pumpkin spice latte or cold brew. I'm not too sure. It's been a while. I forgot what my usual Halloween order is. And also, if you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby and I am a spooky queen. I love everything Halloween and I am that psycho that can fall asleep to like horror movies and like murder mystery documentaries. I don't know why, but it's just, it's my comfort. This mall has the worst traffic. It's also kind of gloomy in gray today, which I find very appropriate for spooky season. Also, I'm sorry if the camera is very like jittery. I have this new tripod that gets attached to the window and the streets here have not been the smoothest. So I apologize in advance for that. Ooh, no line at Starbucks, perfect. I know that Homegoods also just opened at 9:30 and it's 9:53, so we're good. Hopefully it's not too packed and the line is not too long.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get you today?
Hi, good morning. May I please get a tall iced pumpkin cold brew?
A tall iced pumpkin cold brew? Okay.
Yes, that's all.
Anything else, love?
No, that's it. Thank you.
5 away. Thank you.
Thank you. 5? I thought like talls were like $3 or $4. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You're also welcome.
Spooky. So, Bath & Body Works is right here, so I'm gonna park here since this is where I'm gonna end up. You know what? I was gonna back it in, but if I have a lot of packages, that's not a good idea. But I did find this first spot here, and I think this is where I parked for my Christmas Shop With Me video last year too. So, good vibes, not vibes. Good vibes on good stuff to find. Okay, so I have put the Homegoods stuff in the car. Now let's walk over to Bath & Body Works. Alrighty, I finished having lunch. I had to run also into Sephora for a quick little pickup, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me over to Marshall's in Town and Country as well. That TJ Maxx and Marshall's are pretty much the same owners and have pretty much the same inventory as well, but you never know with the locations how products can vary. Like I noticed here, a lot of it was very like whimsical, classic Halloween, except for that glass pumpkin aisle. That was just spectacular. But yeah, let's head over to the Marshalls in Town and Country and see what they have there. Alrighty, I have just parked and there's already a Spirit Halloween store over in Town and Country. That was a very, very disappointing trip to Marshall's. Not the cutest stuff, like maybe 1 or 2 items, but it's stuff that I don't need. So we're gonna go home now and I will show you everything that I have bought. Alright, since I am home now, it is time for our haul. Do not get too excited. It's really not that much stuff, but I still wanted to go ahead and show you guys the little goodies that I found. Let's start off with TJ Maxx. I got this candle by DW, and you guys know I'm a GW fan. I don't know if you can see it because it's a little bright, but the side of the bottle has like some like leaves. Really pretty. And the smell is honey pumpkin. So good. And this was $14.99, and this is a really good dupe for Bath & Body Works' white pumpkin candle. Love that very much. Almost bought it, but look at that. I found it at Homegoods for about $10 cheaper. Next on the list is this Red Leaf Home candle. This smells like, it's got like a crisp apple kind of scent, so it's a nice transitional scent now into like the fall Halloween kind of season. So this will probably start getting burnt next week. And this one was also $14.99. It's a nice big 3-wick candle. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bright, but yeah, really nice transitional scent. So y'all know how I love my cocktails. I found this really cute little like cocktail napkin set that says I'm just here for, does it say, oh, here for the booze. Really cute, simple, loved it, and it was $3.99. And last but not least, from HomeGoods, I love this. And it was just something like, do I need it? I don't, but it's beautiful and I'd rather buy it now or regret it later. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, like funky, modern glass pumpkin. That whole aisle of the glass pumpkins, good Lord, it was beautiful. Every single, every single pumpkin there was absolutely spectacular. I did not end up getting that leopard pumpkin. I really, really wanted to, but the only reason I didn't get it was because there was no price tag on it. I was already waiting 40 minutes in line to pay, and I just really was not in the mood to sit there and wait for the employees to go and try to find the price and go on a wild goose chase for it. Wasn't the vibe. But you know what? It's not gonna be the last time that I go to HomeGoods, so if it's there again and it magically has a price tag on it, then it's meant to be. So sadly for now, Leopard Queen does not have a leopard pumpkin. Moving on to Bath and Body Works. So, y'all know I'm a ghoul friend kind of girl. And this is this year's packaging. Absolutely beautiful. And here's the best part. Oh my god, isn't that cute? I can't wait to burn this. I love this candle so much. I think I've been getting this like annually for the past like 2-3 years. And of course, I had to get the matching hand soap. So, cool friends. It's kind of giving me like teenage witchy vibes for the artwork this year, but absolutely love it. Last but not least, you know your girl loves doing her nails. So I got these 2 gel and regular polish packages by D&D. Yeah, D&D DC. And this one is number 315. It's kind of like a brownie gray, if you want to call it that. And then this one is 312. It's kind of a nudie sand, but I call it there's like a hint of gray in it as well, so I call it like a grayish. But yeah, I love these neutrals. I figured they'd look really great with my Halloween decals that I have. And yeah. Oh, and it was from this place called Adriana's Beauty Supply. It's there in Town and Country, and they have literally like the best prices and selection for all of your nail needs. These 2 were in total, it came out to like $17. So I got basically 4 polishes for just 17 bucks. Can't beat that. But yeah, so that is pretty much the end of this haul. I'm sorry, it's a very short haul. I didn't really have much decor that I needed to get this year. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and shopping along with me. And I hope that this inspired you for your spooky season and decorating and for the upcoming Halloween season. So thank you guys so much for watching. Pretty please, please, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next adventure. Bye.